Leeds Skelton Lake Services, M1 Junction 45, East of Leeds. Opened in spring 2020, this wasn't just another motorway service area, it was a new concept, a destination in its own right. Combining world-class architecture with a diverse mix of food and beverage outlets, retail brands, leisure facilities, a business centre, and community spaces. Leeds Skelton Lake was designed to redefine what stopping on a motorway journey actually feels like. That level of ambition sets a high bar for every supplier on the project, including us. HVP security shutters were appointed to manufacture, supply and install security shutters across the restaurants and retail outlets throughout the site. The main contractor was Morgan Sindall Construction and Infrastructure, one of the UK's leading construction and infrastructure businesses. Working alongside multiple contractors and fit-out companies, the brief was clear. The shutters needed to secure high-footfall food and beverage and retail spaces out of hours, without compromising the contemporary design language of the building. In an environment this visible and this architecturally considered, a standard roller shutter simply wasn't an option. The answer to this complex challenge was the HVP FlexiGlide system. Specifically, the Flexiglide Vision Guard, HVP's own proprietary sliding shutter range, developed for exactly this kind of challenge. Here's what makes it different. Unlike a conventional roller shutter that descends vertically into a fixed guide track, the FlexiGlide slides horizontally and folds completely away to the side when not in use. The opening is left entirely clear, no drum overhead, no bottom track on the floor, nothing interrupting the space. When the shutters are open, which is most of the time, they're invisible. When they're closed, they're secure. The Vision Guard variant takes this further. Its open lattice design allows excellent airflow and visibility through the shutter, important in a catering environment where ventilation matters and visibility into a space can deter opportunistic crime. Some units also incorporate polycarbonate panels for an additional layer of physical protection where needed. And critically, for a site with curved architecture, FlexiGlide can follow any curve, no straight line compromise. The shutter works with the building, not against it. Installation across a live construction site with multiple contractors running in parallel required careful coordination. HVP's team worked directly with the fit-out companies responsible for each outlet, sequencing the shutter installations to fit within the wider programme without causing delays to other trades. Multiple sliding shutters were fitted across the site, each one manufactured to the specific dimensions of its opening, finished to complement the interior design of its outlet, and installed to HVP's standard of workmanship that's been consistent across 12,000 installations over 34 years. The final result really speaks for itself. Leeds Skelton Lake Services opened to the public in spring 2020. The restaurants and retail outlets trade daily through high footfall and are secured every night by FlexiGlide Vision Guard shutters that disappear completely when the doors open each morning. The head of pre-construction at Morgan Sindall Construction and Infrastructure summed it up simply: absolutely brilliant project to be involved with. If you're working on a project where standard shutters won't cut it, where the architecture demands something more considered, talk to us. HVP Security Shutters, manufacturer, supplier and installer. Over 34 years of experience, 12,000 installations across the UK and beyond. Free advice, free site survey, no obligation. Call us on 0139 227 0218 or visit hvpshutters.co.uk.